Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some swatches of a few Madam Glam gel polishes. I've got 3 soak-off gel polishes as well as their base and top coat. And if you're interested, you can also get 30% off your entire order with my code caramellogram 30_1. I'll leave that code as well as a link in the description box below. And all their gels are cruelty-free, vegan, 21 free, which I've never heard of before, and they also do not contain HEMA, which can sometimes be an irritant. So anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Under my swatches, I'm using the Soak Off Base Coat. I'm going to apply 1 coat and then cure it in an LED light for 30 seconds. It does cure with a slightly tacky finish, but you don't want to wipe that off because I think it's going to help the actual gel polish stick to your nails. The first gel polish is called Elegance, and this is a sheer brown/nude gel polish. I did apply 3 coats, and I feel like that was perfect to blur out my smile line. It is sheer, so it's not going to cover it completely, but I feel like this gel polish and this shade is perfect for some negative space manis, especially in the fall. And don't forget to cure it in an LED light for 30 seconds after each coat. I finished off all of my swatches with the Madam Glam Soak Off Top Coat and cured that for 30 seconds, and here are 3 coats of Elegance. The second shade is called Always Late, and this is a light brown cream gel polish. This light brown cream had such a good formula. It was probably my favorite out of the bunch. It was so smooth, so creamy, and so easy to apply. It wasn't thick, it wasn't runny, and I was able to get it completely opaque in 2 coats. Again, I topped it off with the Madam Glam Soak Off Top Coat, and here are 2 coats of Always Late. And the third shade that I have is called Brick, which is a deep wine red gel polish. This gel polish has a kinda jelly-like formula, so the color and the coverage is definitely buildable. I do quite like it in 1 coat. I was a little heavy-handed on my first coat, so before I cured it, I just went back in and thinned it out a little bit. With that second coat, it definitely deepened the shade quite a bit more. And again, I applied the Madam Glam Soak Off Top Coat on top of my swatch. And here are 2 coats of Brick. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 3 Madam Glam gel polishes that I swatched in this video. Again, if you're interested, you can get 30% off your entire order with my code caramellogram 30_1, and I'll leave that code as well as a link in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know which shade is your favorite in the comments below. And if you want to see some of my other videos, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!